In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at moment.js. Now, this is a JavaScript library which is used to parse, validate, manipulate, and display dates and times in JavaScript. In order to use it in a HTML page, it's pretty easy. All you need to do is make use of the minified version from a CDN. For instance, over here, you can see I'm making use of it from the cdnjscloudflare.com, and this is the latest version, moment.js. Now, to use it, you can get the current date using just moment, and this will show you the current date time. And here you have the various formatting options. Like this one will give you the full month, then 12th 2020, and date time along with AM PM. This is going to give you the weekday, and here you'll have something as escaped text coming up, and then this is just the date along with the local time zone. Now here you can also get the time in a relative format. For instance, if you provide some date over here and you are saying format this into year, month, date format from now, it will give you that it's 8 years ago. And all these values are usually used in social media applications when a user has submitted some comment or when an article was published. All these things are shown in relative terms. So there you can make use of moment.js to show the time in relative format. Similarly, you can go ahead with calendar as well, calendar time. So here you can see we are having all these date time: last Thursday, last Sunday, yesterday. And if you just say calendar, then it will say today at 9:16 p.m. Something of that sort will come up. It also gives you multiple local support. So if you want to display time in a specific format, you can just specify the locale over here, like LT, LTS, and all the others. You can see that it supports so many languages. The default one which we are using right now is English United States, but you have all these locales to display your time and date. Now, apart from this, you can also go to the document section, and here you will be able to see how you can install it in Node, in browser, using Bower or require.js. So all these links are there in order to get you started with moment.js. Similarly, you have got NuGet packages. You have packages for Mature, Browserify, Webpack, TypeScript, System.js, and others as well. And here you can go through the documentation to parse a given date time, put it into UTC format. If you want to get the date right away, as I mentioned, moment is the way to go without passing any parameters to it. You can also specify some string data to parse it as a date. For example, over here, moment 1995-12-25, and all these ISO 8601 strings are supported. So if you are passing date in this manner, the moment.js will be able to identify it as a valid date. So this is a pretty useful library, and if you are working with date, then this is the library to go with.